Hey y'all, so I get asked this question quite a bit. How do I maintain my locks? So today I'm doing an updated video on how I do it. I keep it very simple. So here are my 5 things that I do to maintain them. Let's go. So firstly, we start with shampoo. I'm putting these in the same category here. This one is just a cheap clarifying shampoo by Amalefi. Just something I got from a store here in Malcolm in Ghana. But you can use any clarifying shampoo. But when I lived in the States, I used to get Suave. They have very good clarifying shampoos and it's cheap. So just any clarifying shampoo. And then the next thing I also use is this ketoconazole and zinc anti-itch shampoo. Since I don't wash my hair every week or every 2 weeks, I wash it maybe once a month. Sometimes it is smaller than that. I never go over 1 month. I do use this to help with any dandruff or any dead skin or anything that's left on my scalp, and this takes care of it. And it also leaves my scalp very tingly, which I love and enjoy. So yes, some type of anti-itch dandruff shampoo is very good for locks. The next thing I use, and guys, y'all already know if you've been following me for a while, clove water. And I just mix it myself. I just take some clove powder. I take the whole cloves, make it a powder, but I'm sure you can probably find it in the powder form. And I let it sit for a few days. But if I can't let it sit for a few days, I just slightly boil it just so it can turn faster. But I like mine very dark. So I use quite a bit of cloves, but if you want a more extensive video, just let me know, I will do that as well. So yes, this is second item, clove water. Next is my anti-itch spray. I love this stuff. It's like 12 cds here in Ghana. I'm sure you can find it in the States as well. But I use this in between washes and it just makes my scalp feel very clean and very tingly. Y'all know I love a good tingle on this scalp, child. So this here, yes, this is a go. I will always use this. I also use it after my shampoo just to give it a boost of freshness. I love the stimulation that it gives my scalp. I think that's what it is. That's why I like the tingle, because it just feels like it's stimulating. My 4th item on the list is how I maintain my locks are these 2 lock tools. This is the one I go to the most just because I can find it easier. But this one is also a good one, especially for the locks that, like if I have a whole bunch in one spot and they're very close together, this one's gonna get it. It can maneuver in there real good. But this one is just easier to handle. So yeah, I like both. And then my last and final is a scarf. A scarf, guys. I used to use a bonnet when I first started. I used to just put my bonnet on, but sometimes that can even get a little more tedious than just flipping my hair over, put my scarf on, and I'm ready for bed. Because I don't really like my hair at this point just on my back all day or even at night. I like to have it up. So I just flip my hair over, tie my scarf, so it just be sticking up on my head, but that's cool. I don't mind. So yes, just a nice silky little scarf. That's what I do to tie my hair up at night, and that's it. All right, guys, so that's how I maintain my locks. Hopefully that helps you guys to start your journey if you haven't. And if you have, hopefully it helps you to simplify your maintenance routine. Till next time, bye.